So guys, did you know that you can use Canva to build a website? I'm not talking about designing a website, I'm talking about actually building a website. You can either use the Canva web version, which is what I have here, the browser version. You can come here on home, or in my case, I'm using the new Canva software, which was just released. I have it installed on my computer. So when you come here, you will see on the home page, it says you can try the following. Now, it gives you a long list of things you can try out. But in my case, I want to use the website. So this is it, website. Create a blank. So you see it here now. You see it. So let me put that down. Then there are various presets you can use. Take, for example, you click on website, and then it gives you all of these. Let's say you take web development too, it can do the same thing, but we want to look for websites, templates, or you want to look for layouts, you can search here. Now, but we want to use templates. Now, this one is free, so we can use this easily. There are several others. When you see this one pro, it means you need to buy. So there are several others. We want to use one that is free. This one has 6 templates, 6 presets in it. Let's come up here. We see this one has 5, this one has 7. What do we do? Okay, so we can go ahead and use this. Now it shows us the various pages. I want to believe that this one is probably for digital marketing website. So we can click this to add. You see, it gives us this blank template, and this already, and mind you, it is very, very mobile friendly. We can go ahead and preview this. So you can see this, and then you can see it on mobile. This side looks on mobile. So it is very, 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 very mobile friendly. So we want to go back to our design. Let's go back here. We'll close this preset. So we want to add this. Probably want to change the text here and see. We can handle your digital marketing needs. Okay, that we have it there. Then here you can come here and you can embed a link. You can put the link here. You can put the link here. You can put the link here. So in our case, we don't have any link here. So we want to go to the next stage. We want to go to this. Add template as new page. Page yes as new page. So we see now we have this. This is the scroll. The problem we are solving. While music streaming, you can change the content here. And then you go ahead and add the next page. You add the next page. You add the next page. And so what happens is that you can swap this for this to come ahead and this to come below, or you can just bring it back down. You can bring it back down. You can bring it back down. Okay, you see now this is a new template. Unfortunately, we have deleted the other page. Let's add this. Let's add this here now, and then we send this one up. You can see now the pages are scrolling. You can change the pictures here. You can change the pictures. In my case, I'll go ahead and say probably I want to add this gentleman's picture here. I want to add this picture here instead of this lady's picture. So I can go ahead and delete this. And then now I'll leave this here. And then I'll add this here instead. And then I'll reduce the size. I'll reduce the size since it's long. And then let's just see my Xperia. Yes, there you go. You have it. This is a very fully responsive website which you are building using Canva, and mind you, this is the free version. And then you can see add page, and then you want to come back now to the template which you have here, and you might want to add this. Yes, and then if you have something else you want to put here, you can change it. Or if you want to make this text a little bit bigger, you can click on it, highlight it, and then you say you want to increase it to 35 or to 40, and then probably you want to make it, yes, you want to make it this way and let it align with this other text here. You see, when you see this line, it shows you that is on par with this text down here. Then you want to go to add page, and then you want to click on these two. Client feedback, we can change that to testimonials. I'm just to show you how customizable this is. Then you can change that, the text size. Yes, you can drag it up, and then you drag this one up to meet this, and then you can make this bold. And when you make this bold now, you might want to reduce the size a little bit to fit in that box, or you can increase the box as you desire. You go ahead and add a page now. Then you add this one, features and plans. This one you can add, you see the way it is now, you can add boxes down. Take for example, you see, you click on that plus, you've added the boxes. But I'll go ahead and delete this. I'll go ahead and delete that row. You can change the text here. You can change the color of this. You can change the color. You can change a lot there. So it's really good. It's really good. I think Canva is going to disrupt the market, and then you can come here and add. You add this and add that. Then take for example now, you've used all the 7 pages that are here, and then let's just say you wanted to add more. You wanted to add more. What you can do is that you simply come here where it says duplicate page. You duplicate page, and then you can add whatever on earth you desire. Take for example, you want to delete this. You want to delete this, delete all of this. Sorry. No, I pasted something I wasn't supposed to paste. You delete this. You delete all of this. You delete all of this. You delete this. And then, let's say you wanted to add your own custom text here. You can come now to text. And let's just say you wanted to add this. Yes. You see it has come in this color, but you want to change the color. The color. You want to change the color to maybe blue, or let's say thicker blue. Let's come here and we delete this, and you see now I want to write it say ends in yeah, maybe let's say you had a promotion, and then you say ends in, they want to change this now to the same blue. You see what Canva gives you the opportunity to do. Ends in, let's just say 24. So probably it's a promotion you're using this website for, and then you want it to end in 24. Now this is beautiful for those of us who create landing pages to sell products or something of that sort. And you see it is so beautiful. You can preview it here. It's loading. Let's look at the web version. This is already a website. I'll go ahead and teach you how to publish this. So you see it already has this. It already has all of this. And then you can choose, look at the mobile layout. You see, very mobile responsive. Very mobile responsive. So I'll go ahead and close this. Let's say preview. I want to preview this with navigation. Yes, it will be with navigation. Yes. So come now back here and close this and close this. So what we also want to do is to be able to publish this website. Let's say we can name this, we can call this digital marketing website. Yes, what we want to do is we want to publish this website. So what do? We simply come on publish website. Now Canva is becoming an all-in-one platform, So what we want to do is that we are not going to go with this now. We are not going to go with this for now, to be creating the navigation bar, since this is just for landing page purposes. We want to use the free domain name, but you can purchase a domain name from Canva and go ahead and publish this, or you can use the free domain name. So you can use an existing domain name. So we'll click on this and we say continue. And when we want to continue now website description. This is for SEO purposes. Very important. This is like what we call in SEO your meta description. So when you can go ahead and say digital marketing agency that runs TikTok ads Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Facebook ads and Instagram ads. See, we also do Google ads and SEO to get traffic to your website. So you've used 139 characters. You can go ahead and fill all of that and see enable. Now I will not use that, and I'll also not hide my website from search engines. So you can go ahead now and publish this. Canva is publishing this, but since it's a free domain, it's going to have the Canva name there. So it's going ahead and publishing it, and then you'll be able to look at it in your website. Now look at it. You can copy this now. This is the link to the website. You can copy it and come to your browser, open a new tab and paste there. So you see it's loading. This could be your landing page, maybe to sell a product or something of that sort. So this is it. You could use it as a landing page to sell some products or anything. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to do the navigation bar. But since it's a landing page, most often than not, you just want to use it for link capturing, embed links, maybe affiliate links or things like that. So that is basically how you go about it. That's basically how you go about it, creating a website using Canva. Please go ahead and use this. Please click like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.
Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash the notification button so that whenever I put out videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and get any freebies included.